Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference Channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. And now we are going to discuss about 2018 Set A IGKO question paper for Class 1 students. General Awareness 1. Which of the following is a correct match? Head, glove. Eyes, glasses. Wrist, shoes. Neck, hat. The answer is B. Eyes, glasses. 2. You have two of these that you can use to run. A lion has 4 to chase you. Minnie is talking about dash. The options are legs, hands, eyes, ears. The answer is A. Legs. 3. In which one of the following sports a ball is not used for playing? The options are cricket, snooker, hockey, badminton. The answer is D. Badminton. We use cork instead of ball. 4. In a famous fairy tale, the fairy godmother turned dash into a coach so that Cinderella could go to the princess ball. The options are mouse, potato, pumpkin, cockroach. The answer is C. Pumpkin. 5. Select the correct match. We look at the given options. The answer is B. Sheep, wool. 6. Which one of these is a benefit of physical exercise? The options are it helps us to stay fit. It makes us lazy. It may make us fall ill. It may cause an injury. The answer is it helps us to stay fit. 7. India has more than one name. It is also known as dash. The options are Hindustan, Bengal, Utkal, Banga. The answer is A. Hindustan. 8. Where are the pyramids of Giza located? This is the given picture. The options are Egypt, Mexico, Rome, China. The answer is A. Egypt. 9. Choose the word partner of the given word. Parking. The options are house, hotel, lot, shop. The answer is C. Lot. Parking lot. 10. How many more teddies should be crossed to show 5 uncrossed teddies? So we need only 5 teddies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to cross these 2 teddies. So we have to cross 2 teddies. 11. Which of the following statements is incorrect? The options are moon is a satellite of the earth. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. Planets give out their own light. There are 8 planets in the solar system. So we have to mark incorrect answer. So the answer is C. Planets give off their own light is the incorrect answer. 12. Which of the following is not a national symbol of India? The options are mango, rose, the Ganga, Jana Gana Mana. The answer is B. Rose. Rose is not a national symbol. 13. The character shown in the picture appears in the animated movie. This is the given picture. You look at the given options. The answer is C. Aladdin. 14. A dog likes to bark, mostly at the park. A cow likes to dash, but it does not have a clue. Which of the following words will complete the given rhyme? The options are blue, coo, moo, boo. The answer is C. Moo. Cow, moo. 15. Look at the picture. Which sport is this? This is the given picture. The options are swimming, roller skating, skiing, ice hockey. The answer is C. Skiing. 16. The vegetable shown in the picture is dash. This is the given vegetable picture. The options are cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, turnip. The answer is D. Turnip. 17. Which of the following is not a source of light? The options are window pane, sun, torch, candle. The answer is A. Window pane. 18. Identify the famous Bollywood actor shown in the picture. This is the given picture. Read the given options. The answer is A. Salman Khan. 19. What is a group of puppies called? The options are litter, swam, school, pride. The answer is A. Litter. Group of puppies called as litter. 20. Muslims worship in a dash. You look at the given pictures carefully. The answer is C. Mosque. Current affairs. 21. Who is the current president of India? You look at the given options carefully. The answer is C. Ramnath Kovind. 22. On which day do we celebrate the Republic Day? The options are 26th January, 15th August, 2nd October, 22nd March. The answer is A. 26th January. 23. Jurassic World Dash is a famous movie released in 2018. Complete the name of this movie. Look at the given options. The answer is A. Fallen Kingdom. 24. Which country is the winner of FIFA World Cup 2018? Look at the given options. The answer is B. France. 25. Donald Trump is the president of dash. Look at the given picture. The options are England, China, United States of America, none of these. The answer is C, United States of America. Life skills. 26. A new boy joined your class in the middle of the session. What kind of behavior should be shown by you? The options are you should bully him, you should help him in completing his previous syllabus, you should not talk to him, you should ignore him. The answer is you should help him in completing his previous syllabus. B. 27. If you get proper sleep at night, then dash. The options are you will feel sleepy the whole next day. You will be fresh and full of energy the next day. You will find it difficult to get up on time next morning. You will not be attentive in the class next day. The answer is B. You will be fresh and full of energy the next day. 28. Select the correct match. When you make a mistake, say hello. This is not correct. When someone helps you, say thank you. Yes, this is correct. And C, when you pick up the phone, say goodbye. This is wrong. Before you finish a call on the phone, say I am sorry. This is not correct. So the answer is B. 29. Select the action which is safe. You look at the given pictures. The answer is A. 30. If a friend of yours asks for your toys, you should dash. The given options are totally ignore him, share the toys with him, complain to your parents, fight with him. The answer is B. Share the toys with him. Achievers section 31. Match the columns and select the correct option. Column 1, column 2, pizza. Pizza is related to cheese. 3. So A, 3. Now we are going to check the options. Option A is given as 4. So A is not the correct answer. And in B, A is given as 1. So this is also wrong. And in C, A is 2. This is wrong. And in D, A is given as 3. So D is the correct answer. Now we check the remaining. Chocolate connected to 4. Choco beans, French fries, potato, and poha, rice. 32. The name of which of the following leaves is not found in the word grid? The first one is mango leaf, second one is people, banana, this is neem leaf. So mango leaf, yes, the name is given here, mango. And second one, people, people is given here. And banana is not in this grid. And last one is neem. Neem is here. So the answer is C. C is not given in the word grid. 33. Which of the following is not the new Indian note? First one is rupees 10, rupees 50, rupees 200, rupees 1000. So the answer is D. 34. Which of the following letters will complete the name of the machine used in the kitchen? So it is a toaster. Toaster. So the answer is B. OAE. 35. Study the given picture carefully and fill in the blanks. Ali is taller than dash. Ali is taller than Aman. So P is Aman. Now we are going to check the options. A is Nidhi. So this is wrong. And B is Aman. This may be the correct answer. C is Nidhi. This is wrong. And D is Aman. This may be the correct answer. So A and C are the wrong answers. So we remove that answers. Next question is, Q is the shortest. And in this, who is shortest? Aman is the shortest. So answer Q is Aman. In B, Q is Aman. And in D, Q is Nidhi. So D is wrong answer. So now our answer is B. We check the answer R also. R is the tallest. Who is tallest? Nidhi is tallest. So in B, R is Nidhi. So B is the correct answer. So my dear students, today we have discussed 2018 Set A IGQA question paper for class 1 students. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.